Hello everyone, today in this video we'll see how to join and discover public servers on Discord Mobile. So let's jump right into it. First we go to your browser, since you can't do this from the app. Go to discord.com and then go to the desktop version by tapping here and here. Once you're there, tap on Open Discord. If you're logged in, it won't ask you to log in again, and that's good. Now from here, follow up with me. Just zoom in and tap on this symbol right here. That's it. Tap on it. It will take you to the suggestions and the recommended servers, where you can just tap on anyone and join it, or you can tap on the search bar on the top right here, search for the server and tap on it and join it, just like I'm about to do right now with this recommended server. I tap on it, wait for it to load up, and then in the bottom right here you can see it says follow. Just tap on it and you will be in that server, and that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.